Okay, here we are in the golf court. And finally I can change this worn out, and I don't know how many people actually touch this thing, and you know, pretty faded thing. Replace with this one, which has definitely more grip. It's of course also plastic, but it has more grip and it feels good. So first step we'll need to do, we need to get rid of basically this cover, which, you know, is this one, which is, this one is the branded OEM, this one's not, it looks like. But how to do it is just pull on it. There we go. That's it. And if you want to, we could even copy or take over this little paper clip thing if you want to, I guess, but I honestly don't mind, so whatever. So next step is, ideally you spray this entire bolt and that you have your wheels straight, as you want to have it at the end as well. So I try to do that. This is how it should be. And now we need to figure out what size of nut we have. It looks like nice fit, 24 millimeter. Look, this is pretty good. And don't lose your nut. See if we can get this out. All right, with help from my father-in-law, he's running away because he doesn't want to be in the video. Oh, he doesn't know. You will need some force here, and I struggled to get this off, but he used this hammer, and it's basically hammer on this side and hammer on the other side evenly. But when you do that, be careful that you're not sitting in there, because it might come loose at one point. So obviously we hammered it off already, but I hope you get the idea. And then you see how dirty it is and how rusty it is. And put this to the side. You can see it has all this filth, so we'll try to clean it. I have 4 different hammers laying here. All right, putting it back on. Try to make it fit. And I think I need to replace mine, as I mentioned, but I don't have one here, so I'll do that probably later. Wanna tighten it and see how it works. And that's Frankie. Hey, Frankie. We got it. Last thing, what you would need to do, putting this one on, and therefore just need to double check. You need to fit it in all those holes. Not good. And how's this supposed to fit? No, it doesn't fit. So it feels like it doesn't really fit because it's longer here. Well, even the old one doesn't really fit. Yeah, it feels like that this hole is too close. Well, we'll see how much force we need. Let's say this is not a direct fit. Very sad. Just broke 2 off, which means this is not good. And I was hoping that this could be a direct fit and really easy, but I would not recommend this steering wheel in this case. So now I have an unfinished product. Very sad. This is 10 LOL, sponsored video. I tried to do the installation, it didn't work out. I'm a little bit disappointed about the quality. I thought it might be good. At least this part will be good. I will work on here to figure something out that at least it looks a little bit better. But yeah, a little bit disappointed. Anyways, leave some comments in the section. Leave some comments below if you have any questions about this stuff, especially 10 LOL. It's a big brand which is having a lot of, especially EZGO RXV parts, but as you see, not everything might be the quality you expected. So I'll talk to them and we'll see what they come up with. Thanks for watching. Cheers!